Hey, hello everyone. This is Diana Castillo from moneymakerarea.com, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about high ticket affiliate marketing. If this is a topic that you're interested or you're looking on a way in which you can make at least $1,000 per sale, this is something that you will be really interesting on watching. But before I get into the topic, if this is the very first time you're in my channel, welcome. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm updating my channel pretty consistently, and I usually talk about how to make money online, passive income, lead generation, traffic sources, and related topics. So if this is something that you want to go ahead and master, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I don't want you to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be talking about high ticket affiliate marketing, a way in which you can make at least $1,000 per sale. Yeah, no kidding. First of all, let me tell you something really important. What is the difference between regular products and high ticket products? Okay, the regular products, I don't know why, but for some reason people feel comfortable selling products in which the price is $37, $50, and they're gonna be making maybe $10 per sale. And even there are products in which the price is $14, $10, and people for some reason feel way more comfortable selling them products as they're getting crazy um, in their mind, because this is something that happens to me as well. I thought it would be easier to make what I call a regular product sale rather than a high ticket sales, because I was like, well, who's gonna purchase a product that is $2,500? They need to pay $2,500, $10,000, $15,000. Who pays that? Maybe I will need to work harder to have a super big audience to make a sale. And no, that's not the case, right? That's not the case. It took the same amount of time, it took the same amount of effort to make high-end ticket sales. And if you decide to go with regular ticket sales, regular products is, low ticket products is, it takes the same amount of time, it's taken the same amount of effort, because first of all, you need to drive traffic. Whatever is your traffic source, you need to drive traffic. You need to capture people's emails. You need to do follow-ups, and your audience is going to be growing depending on your traffic source. Right now on YouTube, maybe you are on Instagram, maybe you are creating a Facebook account or a Facebook group. It's going to take the same amount of effort, but I take the decision that I decided that, hey, I want to make at least $1,000 per sale, right? Because if I got 4 sales, that's going to be $4,000. That's going to be a game changer, rather than me working super hard and selling a $10 product, making the same amount of sales, 4 sales, and I'm going to be making just $40, which I can hardly go to the supermarket and buy something. Maybe I can hang out, have a dinner out, go to the cafe and spend those $40. So the psychology behind them is actually a little bit different, in the way that, hey, you don't need to sell the high-end ticket products, okay? You don't need to sell those. And now you're going to be thinking like, okay, Diana, but you're telling me that I need to be focused on the high ticket products. Yes, but to be honest, whenever you are promoting these products, what you're going to be doing is that you're going to be driving target traffic to the product. Okay, you're going to be sending target traffic to the product. They're going to buy something. They're going to buy something, which is actually low ticket, mid ticket product. They're gonna follow the system. They're gonna be talking with coaches. They're gonna be introducing to the system, and the system is gonna make the sales for you. So it's an actual way in which you can make passive income, because if you're at work, let's say that you're like me, you're building a YouTube channel, or you are running ads. You don't have time to be with people on the phone. You don't have time, to be to give people support, right? Because you have a full-time career, right? And you want to make the most amount of money. Chances are that you want just to quit your full-time job, right? So the system, the high ticket system, is going to be working for you. They're going to be closing sales for you because they're going to be available. That's your job, right? And you're going to be making the money. And another cool thing that happens is that you own the customer. So if that person decides to go ahead and purchase another high-end ticket product, you're going to be making commission. Okay? You're going to be making commission. So don't be scared to promote this type of products because they're really high quality products, right? Because if someone is willing to invest $2,500, the product is high quality. They do have great support. They do have great customer service. You don't have to worry about anything. And the mindset behind those people who buy this type of products, it's way different because they understand that this is an investment that they're doing. This is not just a regular $10 product that they might or might not watch because it's not a real investment. It's just a quote unquote solution that they're buying, but maybe they're not going to pay attention because the perceived value is not the same. Okay, and this is something really important that sometimes whenever we are doing any kind of online job, right? Any kind of online business, we fail or reach success because of the mindset. So with that said, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be removing everybody who is a freebie seeker, everybody who is not willing to take action, right? Because they're going to stop there on the what I call the front door, the front end, and they're not going to take any kind of action. So that's not someone that you want to have on your email list. Okay? I even know people who are complaining because they need to pay for a $10 product, right? And those kind of customers, they're going to be really trouble, and that's what you don't want to have on your online business. And you need to understand that this is a business. Okay? There is something that I listened at the beginning of the year, and it was a phrase that changed my mind, changed everything, and it is okay to be wealthy. Okay, you need to give permission to yourself to take this opportunity and sell high-end ticket products because maybe you right now cannot afford it, right? Life happens, we have debts, we have things that we need to take care of, right? Maybe you're interested but you cannot afford it at the time, and that's okay. But there is another person out there that he or she can do it, and if you are not promoting it, you are going to be losing the sale. If you really want to change your life, right? If you really want, to be able to enjoy your life, you need to sell a high-end ticket product. Because imagine that you're promoting a Warrior Plus, a JVC product, which clickbait product in which you're going to be making just $10, and you want to make an extra $1,000 per month. That's the only thing that you want to do. You just want to make an extra $1,000 per month. It's going to be way easier to find one person who is willing to invest, and you're going to get $1,000 commission than to find 100 people that are going to be, purchasing these $10 products. Okay, trust me, being there, done that. I thought it was way harder. I thought it was way different. I don't know. Maybe I was scared of money. Who knows? Maybe you are scared of money as well. Okay, so you need to do that switch in your mindset. It's not easier, or it's not easier to sell these low ticket products. It's not harder to sell a high end ticket product. It's depending on what you're looking for, right? And you need to understand that this is a long-term business, that you want it to grow. Okay, you're committed with your success. And now let me show you a program that I suggest, that I recommend, and it has the high-end ticket products just in case that you are interested. The program that I'm currently promoting, it's called Legendary Marketer. If you want to give it a try, I'm gonna leave a link below. Okay, it's actually $30 per month, And the very first thing that you're gonna be introduced you, it's what is called the 15-day challenge. Okay, the 15-day challenge is like that. It's a challenge. Okay, we're gonna identify who is an action taker and who is not. Okay, the 15-day challenge, it has been developed by the owner, the CEO, Dave Sharp. Okay, in this challenge, what you're gonna have everything from the secret of how to build a high ticket, high profit online business, how to create a system that is gonna be working for you 24/7, having the right mindset, and even you're gonna have a coaching calls. Okay, you're gonna have an online advisor, someone who is already success that is gonna be talking with you and no extra charge. Okay, you are gonna be even gonna have free bonuses, scripts, templates, okay, that you can use to grow your business. And something really important here is that, as I mentioned before, this is for action takers. So you're gonna have assignments. As you can see, you're gonna have assignments. Okay, why? Because they want to know what's your level right now, how, if you have experience with online marketing, if you don't. Okay, because this is something personalized. Okay, you're gonna have a business plan that is gonna fit your needs. Okay, depending of what your goal, because chances are that my goals are not yours, right? My experience is not your experience, so everything is gonna be personalized. Okay, and even you're gonna have what they call wake up legendary calls. It's Monday to Friday with real experts. This is gonna be live. Okay, this is gonna be live training at no extra charge. This is actually really, really great. And as I told you, this is a 15-day challenge. Once you finish day one, you're gonna click here where it says mark this lesson as complete, and you're good to go. Okay, you are good to go. And once again, this is for real action takers. If you are not going to be take action, this is definitely not for you. But if you are committed with your success, this is something that you would like to go with. Another product is that they have, and it's going to be included on your $30 per month, is the Marketers Club. Okay, the Marketers Club, you're gonna have access every Monday. They have live training. Okay, it's gonna be for certain topic with expert. It's at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's live, so you don't have to worry about that. Okay, and the other thing is that, hey, they're expert there, right? That they are sharing their knowledge. How are you gonna be telling a story? How are you going to be creating a successful YouTube channel? By the way, it's this one is created by Nathan Lucas. Oh my god, this guy, he really knows what he's doing. Okay, and there are other trainings there as well. So if you are looking to learn how to do this, and this is not just for affiliate marketing, this is for someone who is really serious about growing their online business. Okay, if you have your own product, if you have your own service, if you're thinking about, offering mastermind coaching calls, you're going to learn everything that you need. There is another one that is called the traffic Rolodex. Maybe your problem is that you have a great product, but you don't know, how to drive traffic, okay, to your funnel. Maybe you don't know how to create a funnel. Maybe you don't know how to do a follow-up. This is things that you're going to be learning here. They do have what they call the blueprints. Okay, they do have what they call the blueprints, which is the affiliate marketing. If you're interested about dominating this kind of business, you're gonna have access to it. They have the digital products. Okay, this is a blueprint for a person who say like, hey, you know what, now I'm not going to be promoting someone else's products. I want to create my own product and I want to be able to promote it. If you want to go ahead and create events and masterminds, if you want to go and create your own coaching program, be a consultant, maybe you don't know what's the route to do it, hey, here you're going to have the information, and even you are going to have live experiences. So you're going to be meeting people in person who are already, putting this in practice, and interact with them. Okay, so everything is gonna be here on Legendary Marketer. For me, this is the best training if you're really serious about making, a full-time career, having an online I don't want to call it a job, right? Because it's not a job, but having an online business that is going to be working with you 24/7. But again, this is just for action takers. And if you want to give it a try, I'm going to leave the link below. It's going to be the very first link in the description. Okay, if you have some questions, if you have some comments, leave it in the comment area and I'll be more than happy to answer them. If you find some golden nuggets, please give me a thumbs up. That's gonna help me, it's gonna help my video, it's gonna help my channel. And this is it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I see you on the next video.